In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple calendars for organization in Google Calendar. Using more than one calendar is a great way to separate different parts of your life, like work, personal tasks, and special projects, while still seeing everything in one place. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. On the main calendar view, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. This is where you can add new calendars and manage existing ones. Move your mouse over the Other Calendars section. Right next to that label, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on that plus sign. This opens a menu with several options for adding calendars in different ways. From that menu, choose the option that says Create New Calendar. Go ahead and click that. You'll be taken to a new page or panel where you can set up the details for your new calendar. Here, you'll see a field for the calendar name. Type a clear, specific name that tells you what this calendar is for, like work deadlines, family schedule, or fitness plan. A good name makes it easier to quickly recognize which calendar you're looking at later on. Below the name, you'll see a description box. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to add a short note, such as what kinds of events will go there or who it's meant for. You can also confirm the correct time zone here, which is important if you travel or work with people in different locations. Once you're happy with the name, description, and time zone, look for the button that says Create Calendar. Click on that button. Google Calendar will create your new calendar in the background, and after a moment you should see a confirmation message. When it's done, your new calendar will appear under the Other Calendars section on the left. You can click the colored box next to it to show or hide its events. You can repeat these same steps to create as many calendars as you need, keeping different areas of your life neatly organized while still staying on top of everything in one place.